Welcome to how to open or create Amazon Prime account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open or create Amazon Prime. So let's get started. To sign up for Amazon Prime, first you must be signed up for an Amazon account. If you have not created an account for Amazon.com, first make sure you do. Once you have it, simply log into your Amazon account by tapping in www.amazon.com, press enter on your keyboard and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in from your Amazon account, once you have an Amazon account, you can simply access to Amazon Prime and now click on start your 30-day free trial button on the left hand side. You will need to add a payment method in order to purchase Prime membership. Go ahead and enter your card information in the text box. Type in your name on the card, your card number, expiration date, and click on add your card. Once you add your card, you'll be able to sign up for Amazon Prime right away from your computer. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be good to go. That is how you can easily sign up for Amazon Prime on your computer. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question, doubt, or suggestion, please leave it in the comment section below.